$80.
Really?
Yeah. Y'all want me to get in it or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm Chase, by the way.
I'm Mika. So $80
Nice to meet
for
you.
real?
Yes, ma'am.
You take cash or card?
We take cash.
Cash only?
Yes, ma'am. Or we can do a cash app if you need to do that.
Holy! Hold that shit. Watch out. I gotta blow.
Excuse me.
Sorry.
You're totally fine. Alright, you can type my phone number in for your cash app.
931
801, no problem, buddy.
801
63
63
52.
52.
Yes, ma'am.
Chase.
Yes, ma'am, that's me. Looks good to me. Yes, ma'am. You have a good night.
You too.